Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use FeedMeNow.com to find your next favorite meal spot. Whether you're in a new city or just looking to try something new nearby, FeedMeNow has got you covered. Let's dive right in. When you first fire up FeedMeNow.com, you'll see a search box asking you to enter a restaurant name or a category. Right next to it, you'll find 3 buttons labeled Zip, City, and State. There's also a green button that says a Nearby. On the right side, you'll notice a Clear All button. This handy feature will clear all the boxes with just one click, resetting your search. Now, if you allow FeedMeNow to use your geolocation services, the Zip, City, and State fields will automatically fill in. FeedMeNow will then perform a search within a 5-mile radius of your location. You can adjust this radius using the drop-down menu to search within 10, 15, or even 20 miles. Below these fields, you'll find pagination controls along with arrows for sorting in ascending or descending order. There's also a randomized button represented by a dice icon. Clicking this will show you 10 random restaurants in your selected area. Feel free to hit the dice icon multiple times if you're feeling adventurous and want more options. What if you don't allow location services? No worries. You can manually type a zip code into the top box. When you press the red zip button, FeedMeNow will look up the corresponding city and state, allowing you to search by zip code, city, or state. If you don't know the zip code, type in the city and state and press the red city button. FeedMeNow will find every establishment in the city matching that name. Handy, right? You can also search the whole state, just click the state button. Once your search results appear, you'll see numbers for pagination above the arrows and dice. You can start typing the name of a particular restaurant, just 3 or 4 letters will do. No need to hit enter, the names will pop up automatically. The same goes for cuisine types, type in part of a category, and FeedMeNow will search both the category and restaurant names. Each listing includes a link for the address and phone number. Click the address to open your Maps app, or click the phone number to make a call. Below that, you'll see 4 buttons: Web, Facebook, X, formerly Twitter, and Instagram. Click these to check out the restaurant's social media pages or website. Noticed a restaurant with a premium account? You'll see detailed information above the restaurant name, including a serving icon. Click Details to view reviews, star ratings, social media links, delivery options, and more. At FeedMeNow, we never track you and don't use cookies. Restaurants cannot buy positions. Our reviews are done by AI based on other reviews by real users from sources all over the web, so you get perfect descriptions based on averaging, often with quotes from credible diners. And there you have it. Navigating FeedMeNow.com is as simple as that. Happy dining, and may you discover many delicious new spots. Remember to share your experiences with us on social media. Thanks for watching, and bon appetit!